Today, we're looking at something truly special.
Old memories will return.
A 100-year-old Ford Model T. Not just a car, but a piece of history. Just look at it. So much dust. So much rust. It feels like time itself has forgotten
Listen to
this
that
car.
sound.
So calming, so satisfying. Look closely. Beneath all that dirt, the metal is still there. This isn't just cleaning. It feels like we're slowly bringing it back to life. Whew, this grease, old oil hardened over time. But little by little, everything starts to disappear. As the parts come apart, you really begin to appreciate how cars were built 100 years ago. Every bolt, every screw has its own story. The engine, so tired, so worn. But don't worry, its moment is coming. Now watch closely. Fresh parts, careful repairs. This car is slowly becoming young again. That paint. So smooth, so clean. Each stroke removes the past and reveals something beautiful underneath. This is the moment where all the effort finally feels worth it. And now, take a look. Wow. Just wow. The same car that was once buried in dust now looks brand new. Ah, that shine, the reflections, the perfection. This 100-year-old Ford Model T is alive again. This wasn't just a restoration. It was about bringing time back. If you enjoyed this journey, remember one thing. Nothing old is truly useless. Sometimes it just needs a little care and a lot of patience.